Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 5.1, question number 3rd. First part. Find inverse matrix of the following. Find inverse matrix of the following. It means A inverse. Okay. Given that matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay. Find inverse matrix A inverse. Okay. Formula of A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Okay. Before determinant A and adjoint A. Okay. So determinant A is equals to 1, 2, 5, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay, implies determinant A equal to, on expanding along R1, 1, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 3 minus 1, minus 3, it means plus 3, minus 2, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 2, plus 5, 3, plus 2, okay, is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, minus 2, plus 10, 25, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 into 5, 25, is equals to determinant A equal to 27, not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0, so A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse exists, so A inverse exists, but determinant A equal 0, so A inverse not exist. Okay, two condition. First condition, determinant A not equal 0, so A inverse exists, and determinant A equal 0, so A inverse not exist. Okay, it means A inverse exists. Determinant A, find the value of adjoint A. Working rule of adjoint A, it means upon finding the cofactor of matrix A. Cofactor of matrix A, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2, cofactor of 5, cofactor of 1, cofactor of minus 2, cofactor of minus 1. Similarly, 2, 3 and minus 1. Okay. F11 over 1, cofactor of element 1 is equal to 1, leaving the corresponding row and column, minus 1, plus 1, minus 3 minus 1 plus 3, it means 4. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, it means 2, even number it means plus. Okay, F12 over 2, cofactor of element 2, F12 cofactor of element 2 is equal to row and column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, minus plus, it means minus 1 plus 2 is equal to plus 1. But 1 plus 2, 3, odd number, it means minus. Okay, F13 over 5 is equal to 5 row and colon 3 into 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 it means 5 but 1 plus 3 4 even number it means positive. Okay, similarly 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 f 2 1 over 1 is equal to 17 f 2 2 over minus 1 equal to 1 f 2 3 minus 1 equal to 1 f2 minus 1 minus 1 5 into 2 10 minus 1 minus 10 11 sorry 11 f2 2 minus 2 2 minus 1 11 minus 11. Okay, f2 3 minus 1 row colon 3 into 1 3 minus 4 minus 1 it means 2 plus 3 5 odd number minus plus. Okay, and f3 1 over 2 is equal to 3 f3 2 over 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 it means 3 plus 2 5 even odd number it means positive 6. Okay, f3 3 over minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 3 6 it means even number same to same minus 3. Okay, matrix made of cofactors of matrix A Fij is equal to f11 f12 f13 f21 f22 f23 f31 f32 f33 3 by 3 is equal to f11 f12 f13 4 minus 1 5 17 minus 11 1 3 6 minus 3 4 minus 1 5 17 minus 11 1 3 6 minus 3. Okay, and adjoint A is equal to transpose of Fij is equal to transpose of Fij equals to 4 minus 1 5 17 minus 11 1 3 6 minus 3 adjoint A. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Okay, implies A inverse is equal to determinant A 27 1 by 27 into adjoint A 4 17 3 minus 1 minus 11 6 5 1 minus 3. That is the answer. It means inverse matrix A inverse. Okay, again find inverse matrix of following. Given that matrix A, find the value of A inverse. Formula of A inverse is equals to adjoint A upon determinant A. So determinant A equals to 27 not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Because determinant A equal 0, so A inverse not exist. A inverse not exist. But determinant A 27 not equal 0. It means so F inverse, A inverse exist. Okay, A inverse exist. Find the value of adjoint A. Working rule: upon finding the cofactor of matrix A, F11, F12, F3, similarly F33. Okay. And Fij equals to something, adjoint A equals to transpose of Fij equals to, and A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Putting the value of adjoint A in and determinant A. So A inverse is equals to 1 upon 27 into adjoint A. That is answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 4th, first part. Okay. If matrix A equal F alpha is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then find A inverse. Okay. And prove that A inverse into A is equal to I3. I3 means identity. Okay. Before A inverse, matrix A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Working rule of A inverse. So determinant A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Determinant A equal to, on expanding along R1, cos alpha minus 0 plus sin alpha minus 0 plus 0. Okay. Is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Determinant A equal to 1. It means determinant A not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Okay. Determinant A not equal 0. It means A inverse exists. And formula of A inverse equals to adjoint A upon determinant A. Working rule of adjoint A. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix A. Okay. F11 over cos alpha, F11 over cos alpha equal to cos alpha, F12 over minus sin alpha equal to sin alpha minus 1 plus 2, 3 odd number, it means minus. Okay. F13 over 0 equal to 0 and F21 over sin alpha is equal to sin alpha row and column minus sin alpha into 1 minus sin alpha. It means 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, minus minus plus. F22 cos alpha is equal to cos alpha f23 over 0 equal to 0 and f31 over 0 equal to 0, f32 over 0 equal to 0, f33 over 1 equal to 1. Okay. Matrix made of cofactor of matrix A implies Fij is equal to F11, F12, F13, F21, F22, F23, F31, F32, F33 equal to cos alpha F11 cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So adjoint A is equal to transpose of Fij is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha 0, sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Hence A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A implies A inverse equal to adjoint A, determinant A 1 by 1, 1, okay, into adjoint A, same cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1, okay. A inverse. Prove that A inverse into A is equal to I3. Left LHS is equal to A inverse cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha 0, 1, 0, 0 into matrix A cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0, 0, 0, 1 is equal to first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, okay. Cos into cos, cos square alpha, cos into cos, cos square alpha minus plus sin square alpha plus 0, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. First row second column, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha minus plus cancel out, it means 0. First row third column 0. Similarly second row first column 0, second row second column 1, second row third column 0, okay. Third row first column 0, 0, 1. left side implies LHS is equal to RHS. RHS I3, identity I3, 3 by order of identity 3 by 3. Okay, hence proof. We will discuss in next video. Thank you.